Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a GMC Yukon. First, ensure your driving position is comfortable and safe. Adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals and steering wheel, and set your mirrors to see clearly around the vehicle. Always fasten your seatbelt before starting the engine. Take a moment to locate essential controls like headlights, wipers, and the gear selector. To start your Yukon, press the brake pedal firmly and then push the engine start/stop button. The GMC Yukon features an electronic precision shift system, which uses buttons for park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Select D for forward motion. Explore the available drive modes such as sport or off-road to optimize performance for various driving conditions. When driving, always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you, typically 3 to 4 seconds. Use your turn signals consistently for every lane change and turn to communicate your intentions to other drivers. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking to ensure a comfortable ride for passengers and to conserve fuel efficiently. When you're ready to park, bring the vehicle to a complete stop and select P for park using the electronic precision shift buttons. Engage the electronic parking brake by pressing the dedicated button, especially on inclines. Finally, turn off the engine by pressing the start/stop button again. Remember to check for any personal items before exiting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.